Alright, well, since Fortnite is out and the PC is doing a massive update on the day I wanted to play the new Fortnite Season 3, ridiculous. I have not seen the Fortnite, I only seen a little bit of it, but I wanted to do an unboxing on a space cable. I finally got, after a month and a half, I ordered this cable. Now, I didn't customize this cable through Space Cable, I actually just bought the one they had. I kind of did take a little peek, so maybe we'll do an unboxing, different view, try it out. Now I do have the Swift cable, and you guys want to see that video for that, I'll put down the description below where you guys could check that out. So I figured we'd do a little unboxing video on the space cable. Now I do have more videos coming. I did get my Matrix keycaps. I got some new dark blue. Yeah, they're like dark blue. But it's stupid because now they're dropping purple keycaps for Matrix. And I do get 20% off my next purchase. So I did get like slow cards. So I'll do that in the next video. But I want to do an unboxing on the new space cable. So I took it a peek. I didn't open it all the way and check the cable. I just kind of wanted to see what it looked like. So it looks good. So let's do the video and let's get the unboxing done. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys supporting Josh Tech Gamer and stuff. I am really, before we get into the video, like I said again, I'm really excited about this new desk. I've been wanting to do this desk setup for the last 5 years, and in the last 5 years people been doing it like crazy. So it's like now I'm behind because everybody's done it and it's already all over YouTube, so it's not like something new. So I knew about this for the last 5 years, even before Random Frank P had a video about this. So because I've been subscribed to him before he had the desk setup, the IKEA hack. So I did see that whole countertop thing, and I kind of put 2 plus 2 together, and I said that would look pretty dope. And then he did it. In the next 5 years, almost 5 years since I've been doing YouTube, everybody's been doing it all over YouTube. But I'm still gonna do it. So, but I am gonna add a little bit different spice to it. So just wanted you guys know. So I appreciate it. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing on the new space cable by Space Cables. Alright guys, so this is the cable right here. This is a Swiftshells or Swift cable. So if you guys want to check out this video, I'll put down the description below where you guys can check it out. So yeah, so let's slide this bad boy over. Yeah, so I kind of opened it, so yeah, it's kind of been open a little bit, but I figured we'd do an unboxing. If the camera, if the light picks up the little shutter speed and the RGB flickering, just don't mind it. So yeah, let's open it up. You guys ready? It's weird. I don't know why it does it. I just turned the brightness all the way up, so it's really bright. So all right, guys, let's open this and check this out. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, there was a piece of paper in there, but I took it out. Like I said, I took a little peek. Let's take it out of the box because the freaking lights behind me are going haywire. You do get some stickers to space cables. This is my first space cable that I got. So, man, look at that. Now this is the actual, I'll put down the description below if I can find it. This is the llama one. So it's like a Fortnite llama one. I think if I can, I could just switch out this part and not use this cable. So, yeah. That's what these aviators are for. So, guys, check that out. That looks really freaking good. Dude, look at those coils. So let's hook it up and try it out. I mean, I might not actually use this wire, but I might. So let's see. Does it go this way? Ooh, yeah. So the thing is, the coil is like facing, it's facing this way, so it's gonna go down. So these cables actually face different directions, so the way you want it. So I do have another cable coming from Dream Cables, and they're actually sending me my own custom cable. So they see my videos and they're like, we'll make your own custom cable for your setup. So I was like, sure, why not? So they kind of don't cooperate. So you just plug the aviator in here, line it up with the holes. Here, getting this on video. Yeah. There we go. Now see, this should just screw right in. Like that. Now when you unscrew it, it should just unscrew from here and then unplug like that. And see how it lights back up. This one's a little bit better, honestly. So I don't know, I'm really new at these. I don't know if that's supposed to unscrew too. If you guys know, let me know in the comments, because if you unscrew this or unscrew this, then the wire comes out. So if you unscrew this, you just unplug it. Okay, that makes a little more sense. So maybe I was unscrewing the bad part. Okay. I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense. So anyways, so yeah, so here's this one. I think it looks really nice, honestly. I do have the Swift one and the Dream one. So guys, let me know in the comments, which one do you guys like? Do you guys like the Swiftshells? I do like the purple, don't get me wrong, I love it. I'm just trying them out. You know, I bought this one and then I bought that one, so I had two from two different companies come. I like the color, that's why I picked it out. So I might switch it up when I put the actual keycaps in, the dark blues, and I might use this one. So yeah, so that's about it. It's pretty simple, just plug it in. You can change it here. So if this is the cool part, so if I want to like switch cables, unplug this, you know, I could plug this in. We're gonna try it, guys. We're gonna try it. See if this works with this. Wow. No, it doesn't. It doesn't want to work with the space cable and the Swift cable. I thought it would. Wow, I'm very shocked. Nope. You think it wouldn't matter? Wow. So you can't do that. There. Just answered the question, guys. So if you guys want to know, you cannot use it. You have to use the space cable with the space cable. That's weird. Yeah. So it answers the question. Can you use a Swift cable into a space cable? Two different companies. No. I just tried it. and it did not work whatsoever. That's really weird. I really do like the purple, honestly. It's just so dope. So I mean, so if I want to switch them out, I'll have to switch out the whole wire and everything. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Now, like I said, I had a little issue where this unscrews and I was unscrewing it, but I was unscrewing the base part. So you need to unscrew it. If you guys ever do new to these, you guys need to unscrew it from here. You guys have to screw it from this part. See, I'm still learning these cables, honestly. These are new to me. And then this just unplugs right there. But I'm disappointed that you cannot use the same cable with two different companies. Like, this is the whole purpose of that. So when I buy these cables, I don't have to switch it in the back. I could just switch it right here. So if I had another Swift cable, I'd be able to do it. If I had another space cable, I'd be able to switch them. So I guess I really don't know. So if you guys know in the comments, let me know. But yeah, this is a little unboxing video on this space cable. Dude, the coils look really nice. I don't mind it going down like that. I don't want to go across the desk sideways because then it's in the way of my mouse and everything. So yeah, so there it is, guys. So let's get back to the video and finish this video. Guys, let me know what you guys think. And honestly, I'll be doing an update video on the new keycaps, and I'm gonna do an update review on the Taihao keycaps. So that'll be coming soon. Alright guys, so yeah, so that's the space cable, as you guys can kind of see right here. I will do some B-roll shots and some footage, so don't worry guys. So the Swiftshells, that's the thing is, at first I thought I broke it because I was unscrewing it from this part and it was unscrewing from the base, but you're supposed to unscrew it from here and then unplug it. So that's kind of my fault. So I'm still learning these cables because I'm really new to these cables, but I'm kind of disappointed I can't use a Swift cable, this end, to the plugs in the PC to the actual space cable. So if for some reason it's not connecting, doesn't work. So if you had two space cables and you want to switch out the aviators, then that's different, but you cannot crisscross them. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Would you buy a space cable? I have the camera in an angle so you guys can. Would you buy a space cable, a Swift cable? I'll put down the description down below. Dream cables, Swift cables, and space cables. All three companies. My dog's drinking water. Sorry if I'm here smacking. I'll put them down below and you guys can check them out if you guys want to. But yeah, let me know which cable you like and stuff. And if you guys are excited as I am to getting the new desk, can't wait. So it's going to be the Carlby countertop. I was going to go to a Home Depot one and get another one, but I'm set for the one I want. So yeah, so you get a couple stickers. You get a space cable sticker, and then you get some freaking stellar stickers. So yeah, so I'll be doing an unboxing video on those new keycaps by Matrix, and I can't wait because I was going to put some dark blue with the pink. Then they have purple. It's like, dude, it never ends. So all right guys, thanks guys for watching. Josh Tech Gamer, I appreciate it. I will let you know. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'll guys let you know if I do get the desk. Don't worry, if you follow me on Twitter, I'll post an updated there. So alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later.